Hello everyone, this is K-Trooper and welcome back to Cloud's Guerrilla Horror Tips and Tricks with someone who's about to hit 1K, Gilbert. So,
yep.
Like what I mentioned in the last episode of this... like what I mentioned in the last episode of this series, you basically can't use the bounce pads to go to the volcano anymore because the volcano's not bouncy, so already. Okay, so when it comes to go to the volcano, do not take the bounce pads. Just go straight to it. Just go straight to the volcano. So you just don't bounce off everywhere.
I don't bounce my belly off everything.
Real. Yeah, come on, let's go.
Let's go to the blue. What's that blue thing up there?
Oh, that's a bounce pad. Hey, come on, Gilbert, come on.
No!
No.
I'm bouncing off.
Oh, heck no. Okay, maybe.
What was that? Oh my! Is it friendly?
I don't think so.
Oh my! No!
Oh, fix it.